Delhi Congress leader and former Union Minister Bhutta Singh's son Arvinder Singh died of cardiac arrest on Monday. A Delhi Congress leader said he is survived by his wife and 2 children. Singh was cremated at the Lodhi Road crematorium on Tuesday. Congress leader Pawan Khera said, "Shocked to hear about the untimely demise of my colleague and friend Arvinder Singh. He worked tirelessly for his constituency." Delhi Congress Vice President Abhishek Dutt said he was a down-to-earth politician. Delhi Pradesh Congress Committee President Anil Chaudhary paid floral tributes to Arvinder Singh during the cremation at Lodhi Crematorium. Singh was elected as an MLA from Deoli Reserved constituency in 2008 on a Congress ticket.